What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? You're gonna fall. Yeah, see? See, I told you. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Little girl. Where you going? What are you doing? You know, you're supposed to grow up big and strong.
She is big and strong.
Honey, look at her. She's the size of a 6-month-old kid. She's 2 years old, honey.
Oh, please.
It's true. She's so teeny and little. You're gonna fall, you little turkey.
Oh, there she goes.
What a ham.
Oh, drop!
What are you trying to do? Get her to fall over the place? Goodness.